It's ready to go.
Social distancing. You're not far enough. Hey, we'll contaminate.
Dustin, I couldn't
you trust me, you'll go down with the ship, right?
I couldn't get further away from you even though I wanted to. You're so big. I could stand at how over there and I would still be within 6 feet of you. Today's an interesting day. Day 1 of Houston shutdown, lockdown. Would you consider today's
No, it's the guidelines.
Guidelines. Okay, so as everyone knows, right now coronavirus is getting more and more amped up. So we're actually starting new procedures here to protect ourselves. We're gonna be using our steamer, steaming all the areas that we touch on the car. So like door handles, steering wheels, seats, things like that.
So naturally I'm immune to the coronavirus because I'm Mr. Clean. No. Their healthcare system and ours, if we all got sick at the same time, that's the prevention we're trying to do. We're trying not to get sick at the same time.
Yeah.
Overload the healthcare. Because there's no way if we all get sick at the same time, there's more people that's gonna die that should.
All right, let's go.
What's the temperature to where the virus dies?
Hot. Die, bacteria, die.
We got 132 is which the virus should actually run. Alexa, what temperature is the point at which water boils?
Water boils when it reaches 212 degrees Fahrenheit.
Good.
Okay, so we're finally done with this BMW M2. You guys saw it before. We tinted this car, we Clearbra this car, we'll ceramic coat it and polish this car as well. It's time for a water beading test. We're looking for slippery slopes, perfect circular water droplets. Let's do it. Nice. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about. Look at that, how it just slides right off. It's like magic.
Nice.
Everything looks good, so now the client can come pick it up. So we started chrome deleting the Model X. We have the back piece already done. This was painted, but this main piece was vinyl wrapped, and now we're putting on the T logo. And it is on. That looks so good. Clean, stealthy, subtle. Right now we're working on the front, and then we'll put the blacked out T logo on the front once we're done. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, that looks freaking sleek. It's coming together so nicely. We still gotta work on those little chrome strips on the bottom, and of course we gotta do the sides here too, but man, it is moving, guys. I'm excited to see this all completed. So back on the Urus, we're now Clearbraing the hood. We got this painted last week, so now we're protecting it with Clearbra. We can keep this paint looking beautiful and looking new, and it's also gonna go over the carbon fiber too. That way that carbon fiber goodness will not get destroyed from rocks. Sean, are you corona free for another day?
No, I have coronavirus right now. I think I'm pretty sure I have coronavirus right now. I'm just showing no symptoms at all. You know, like all the NBA players? Like they're just fine.
There's a theory going on that China made the coronavirus to kill off the old people. It's like a population control.
That's not a theory, that's facts.
That's not facts, Sean.
What do you mean?
No, like they made it on purpose and they meant to let it out. That's
facts. You're trying to tell me like
no, you ding dong.
The virus was made. The virus was made. You know,
Sean.
Right? H1N1 we've seen before. Corona we've never seen before.
every disease there's the first time you see it. Do you understand that you are hurting Haywood?
They've killed 2 doctors already that tried to speak up.
How do you know they're trying to speak up if they're dead?
We actually have 2 chrome deletes going on right now. We have this Model 3 that we're trying to finish up the mirrors on, as well as this Model X back there that you guys have seen. So we're trying to knock out both of these at the same time. I need to disinfect you.
Disinfect me.
Ooh. Yeah, so right now we have the mirrors of the Model 3 disassembled, as you guys can see. We're getting ready to chrome delete them sand black.
That's rapper alive.
One eternity later.
Another Model 3 completely chrome deleted. Sean says I use the word sporty too much in describing my chrome delete, so I'm gonna try to use every other word but sporty. Instead of doing sand black or vinyl wrap on the fender badges, this is actually a matte carbon fiber cover. We wanted to go for something that's a little bit more racy. However, everywhere else is your sand black vinyl wrap that you've come to expect with our chrome delete, since it's the most popular option. It makes the windows look more integrated with the car, whereas back then when you have the chrome strip, it just kind of isolated the windows. It just made it look more out of place, but now the whole thing just looks more seamless. Thank you so much for watching. We want to work on your car, so hit us up. Our contact info is in the description down below. Before you go though, I have a video that I made just for you that I think you might like. I'm gonna pop it up somewhere around here for you guys. And if you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button up here. And make sure you like this video. I will see you guys next time.
Sean, did you even get ready this morning?
No, I really didn't. I just came here with Corona, bro. I've been telling you this all right now.
Why are you here without gloves?
Alright guys, we're ready to work on cars. Cars have Corona.
They're all fucking symmetrical.